on that ratty old fly. No way to string them up or anything. They were just coming down the way. I can smell them. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's fighting good. Yeah, I guess I'm taking him home if I can get him in. Yeah, it's a nice one. Yeah. First one of the... What?
Got a rat.
Do ya? I'm coming to ya. Any size? Little one? Oh. What am I gonna do with them? Stick them in my waders? You all don't know, but I lost my vest with everything in it on my way out. It's old and it ripped, probably. So, walk down to Ryan here and see if I can get some equipment. Oh, there's the deep spot. So we came through that deep spot. Oh, that shelf out there. There's a deep hole. Deep hole. I gotta find my equipment. Well, I don't usually do this. Lose my equipment. Better be up there somewhere. There's a white buoy. Oh man, what a walk to you.
I thought that trout was impressed with the way you bulldogged me.
They're fatties, aren't they? They're fatties. Everything's loving this water temperature. So I'm walking that way. I see a whole surface action of fish. Yeah, I just flipped it out there and boom, right away. There's a whole school of them. He grabbed this stupid black fly right away. So what do you got in your bag there? You got any rope or?
I don't have anything.
Come on.
No, I don't have anything.
You don't have any leader left? I'd be taking all your leader.
I think I took my leader out.
Shh, you don't have anything? Come on, you got a pack on you. You got nippers in there?
I got
Nippers and flies? I want to string them up on something. I want to take them home.
Can you use
That means I have to walk them home.
I mean,
I can look from my bag in the meantime. You see that? These are heavy, aren't they?
Yeah,
But they're in good shape. They're not going to break. Let me see if you can take them off. Well, I can use that. This is no. This all you have?
yeah, that's all I have.
No nothing in the bag?
Yeah, nothing.
No leader, no nothing? Can I ask you one more time?
No,
I'm just...
no, sorry, dude. I don't have anything. That's it. This is it. This is all I
have
have.
to walk them in there.
How big is he?
Nice. Marco's going out to a working late tonight. This will be my
disturbance in that water right there. See
this
that?
is my dinner.
See that right there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's a nice one.
Yeah.
Little pumping.
No, he's not little. Look. He's big. He's decent.
I don't know if those guys down there are catching it. Oh, there's shit fucking coming
There's
around here right
that's
now.
Brinkley down there.
I know, just alone,
those three of them. See how the tide's getting low?
Oh,
You
it's
can,
getting low,
these
yeah.
guys come way out here off the bar and fish like it. It's so fucking
Dude, I'm telling
cool.
you, that trout I had had to have been 22.
So do I walk them in and look for my pack and then come back and then borrow a fly from you?
You can borrow a fly from me. Yeah, bring him back and then come back out.
Yeah.
Because it'll be shallow.
Yeah, put them in the car.
Yeah, put him in the...
Yeah, I think there's plenty of fish to be caught still. All right.
See if you can't find your pack, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Do you have a stringer on your pack if you find it?
Oh yeah, I got everything. I got pliers, cutters, everything. I need my leader back. Oh God, I hope I can find it. So, all right. To be continued.